Hi there, I'm Adarsh, this is T-Rex, and today we're gonna be talking about the Mortal chain paste. Now the guy I bought it from claimed it lasts about 700 kilometers and it's already been 551 kilometers since I applied the chain paste. First of all, I don't like the liquid chain loops as they create a mess at the backside of your motorcycle. So I was looking for another option that would be good for the chain as well as cleaner solution, if you will. So I stumbled upon the Mortal chain paste. One more option, which is a ceramic wax type of lube, and it's from Putaline, and that's a story for another day. So since I applied this Mortal chain paste, it did create a little bit of mess, not as much as a normal liquid type chain lube, but it still did create a mess. I'll show you in the later part of the video. Now the chain lube itself is very good. I'll show you why in a minute. I mean, it's been 500 plus kilometers and it's still there. There is no noise from the chain. I'm pretty much happy with the chain paste because it creates less of a mess in your bike, plus it lasts longer, plus you can get more mileage out of one tube than a normal spray can of a lube. So that's that. Now as far as I can see, there's only one downside of this: the mess it creates. It's not that much, but it still bugs me. I've seen muck sticking in the rear number plate of my motorcycle, and that kind of bugged me, but still it's not that bad. It's way better than the normal sprayed lube, right? Now I've seen so many people, they don't even care about cleaning and lubing their chain. I mean, so bad, right? I've seen people, they just ignore right away. Like if you look at their chains, it'll be sort of rusting and they'll be making clunking noise. So basically they don't give a F about their bike. Cleaning and lubing your chain every 500 to 1000 kilometers is so essential because it basically makes your bike run smoother, makes less noise, and basically increases the life of your chain. Before Mortal, I have used the Putaline ceramic wax. If you lube and clean a chain on time, you won't have to deal with the chain breaking down at the wrong moment. You won't have to deal with your bike making noise because of the chain. You haven't properly lubed it. The chain is the thing that gives power to the rear wheel, right? If you don't take care of it the right way, it probably won't take care of you the right way. Now the suggested interval for cleaning and lubing a chain would be around 500 to 1000 kilometers, but the Mortal lasts about 700. But I'll clean and lube my chain as soon as I go home. Now as you can see, she's very dirty. I had quite a lot of fun with her last night, no pun intended. Now as you can see, the chain. Now even though this part is very dirty, the chain isn't that much dirty, right? The links are somewhat clean and the lube is still there. It has attracted a little bit of dust and dirt. It's very less compared to a normal spray on lube, right? It's better, way better. Now I don't know if you can see it, but I was talking about this. It throws a little bit of dirt on the back side of your bike. So I have a little bit there, a little bit here, a little bit here too. So that's that. I guess that's it. Overall, this is definitely value for money, and I would recommend you guys to test it out. I will also be making another video about the Putaline one. It's much better. They look nice. Okay, it doesn't attract any amount of dust or dirt. It's very good, but it's also expensive for the work it does. So yeah, I mean, on the other hand, you're getting a somewhat clean lube for almost the same price as a normal spray on lube, and it lasts longer than a can of lube. And you can also get a more expensive one which doesn't attract a lot of dust. The Woodland one is probably one of the best that I've tried. On the second place, I would put the Mortal chain paste. I will probably use one of those two, but mainly I think I'll go back to the Putterline because I can't deal with my number plate getting dirty. I mean, it just bugs me. I can't handle it, and Putterline is probably the best. But if you're looking for something cheap and something better than a spray-on lube, sure, this is the best. So I got the chain paste offline. I guess Motu sells it online too. If I find it online, I'll be putting the link in the description below, so do check it out and maybe give it a try if you also hate spray-on lubes. So I guess that was it. Make sure you lube your chain, and always remember, looking good is cool, but being safe is cooler. Bye bye.